Hello, I'm Ridge Bowman with NASA's Office of Inspector General, here to discuss our review of NASA's efforts to partner with foreign space agencies. The legislation that created NASA identifies cooperation with nations and groups of nations in aeronautical and space activities as one of the agency's primary objectives. To this end, NASA manages more than 750 international agreements with 125 different countries, including for the flagship International Space Station. These collaborative efforts have enhanced space-related knowledge while cultivating positive working relations between nations. In this review, we examine the technical and financial capabilities of more than a dozen of NASA's foreign partners, lessons learned from prior cooperative efforts, potential barriers to cooperation, and ways to minimize those barriers. To inform our report, we interviewed officials from the European Space Agency, the German, Indian, French, and Japanese space agencies, and NASA. In addition, the space agencies of Australia, Argentina, Brazil, Canada, Italy, South Korea, Spain, the United Kingdom, and Ukraine responded to a questionnaire we designed. NASA retains a key leadership role in the eyes of its foreign partners, and the international space community looks to the agency to propose the way forward to achieving science and human exploration beyond low Earth orbit. That said, there are significant challenges to engaging in international partnerships. First, agreements with foreign space agencies require approval from the Department of State, and the process often takes many months, if not years, to complete. Second, U.S. export control regulations can hinder dialogue between NASA and its partners, causing frustration with project planning and implementation and reducing the competitiveness of the U.S. space industry. Third, the lack of strong centralized international space coordination groups and restrictions on the number of agency employees permitted to attend international conferences make dialogue between NASA and its partners more difficult. Finally, the U.S. political process and geopolitical realities complicate NASA's efforts to expand international partnerships, particularly with the Russian and Chinese space agencies. Although we make no formal recommendations in the report, we discuss three actions raised by partners NASA may wish to consider. 1. Streamline information sharing about opportunities for cooperation. 2. Increase opportunities to share agency wind tunnels and other test facilities. And 3. Adopt such successful past practices as joint planning sessions and cultural awareness training between NASA and its foreign partners. To read the full report, please visit our website at oig.nasa.gov.